Well, g'day, and thank you for purchasing your UTV hitch mount. So with this little unit, it mounts to the 50mm Heyman Reese on the back of the vehicle, and you can mount either the versatile boom like I have here behind me, or the boomless nozzle. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to assemble the hitch mount and then how to assemble both those accessories. So take the gooseneck part first. You've got the little slot at the top and the large holes at the bottom. So these large holes go into the Heyman Reese like so. Take your supplied pin and R-clip, remove these from the packet and install them . So once you've secured the gooseneck to your 50mm tow hitch with the locking pin, next take your cross member. So you've got two holes in one side of it, and then as you turn it over, there's one hole through the center. Take that section and put it into the slot at the top of the hitch. Take a bolt from your bolt kit, one of the long ones, and insert that down through the hole, and it'll line up with the hole out the base. So put that through, grab a nut, and then tighten those up. Take a 13mm ratchet and a 13mm spanner and do those up tight. So once your cross member is tight, the next step is to take two more of the long bolts out of the bolt kit, grab your versatile boom and insert these bolts into the uprights on the boom. The actual position of these doesn't really matter to start with. You can adjust it up and down depending on your spray application. So once you've got those bolts through the uprights, you just want to take the boom and fit it to the cross member. Once it's hanging there, take your nuts and screw them onto the back of the bolts, and then repeat the process, tighten them right up home. So to make your boom operational, there's one final step. You just take the hose that's supplied with the unit, unravel it like so, tuck it around the back of the boom just to keep it out of the way and stop it from dragging on the ground, and then thread the supplied 1/2" nut and tail straight onto the boom outlet on the pump. Once you've completed that, your boom is ready to go spraying. So to fit the boomless nozzle to your UTV hitch mount, take the packet, pop it open. You'll find the nozzle and the bracket are already assembled, so they look like so. And on the spray tip, you want the slots facing the ground because that's where they're going to spray. So take the unit, hang it upside down like so, hold it underneath the hitch, take your long bolt, bring that up from the bottom, up through the top there like that, and pop a nut onto that one. Then take the short bolt and do the same process inside this slot. Take the second nut and spin that onto the bolt. Tighten these up with a 13mm socket and spanner, and then all you'll need to do is take a piece of spray hose and connect from the hose barb on the boomless nozzle up to the boom outlet on your unit. Once this is complete, your boomless nozzle is ready to go. Thank you for watching this video on the UTV hitch mount. If you would like to know more about this product, or you would like to purchase one, please give us a call on 1800 011 000. We look forward to your call. Thank you.